My training course is online classroom by digital tool for teacher in PLC network. I create course in Edmodo and I create have small group and have workshop. I have structure. I have class structure. This topic have total 16 module. Learning outcome from training course. Teacher create classroom, manage classroom, create document, create assignment, create quick, and how later. Is this schedule sequence for of training task? Teacher learn study by video module 1 to 4, and after 1 to 4 we have to meet via Zoom to talk, to discuss about what problem they meet and explain and show. It's total of 16 module. I create in Edmodo have assignment 16 assignment like this. The same I design, and every module I have resource for them module. Have in create classroom or make exam or make assignment show by via a Padlet, and they have to send workshop in assignment in Edmodo. Like this. Assignment they have to send. They have to test exam. Have to test exam after they make they finish module 1 until module 16. Test score and less than, and part is less 70. These they have to test exam here. If who pass, this I mean training course I make in for PLC last group, but I design by Edmodo. And I connect to website. An example for Zoom. After 4 module, we have to meet and talk about if someone cannot create assignment the same module, and we have evaluation criteria, how to pass and get certificate. It's a training course, create online course by Free Social Learning Edmodo. I would like to share how I training course for my PLC network teacher, and have to prepare next course, but not next course. But I get more knowledge about cohort 16. I have to decide like this next time for training. Okay, this about training course for me.